Hey, Cookaholic Chef Kendra here, and today we are making cilantro lime rice. So good. So, but you and I do what we do and make it happen. The missing five. Gonna gather our ingredients together. I'm starting up by chopping up some cilantro. I mean, it is cilantro lime rice, baby. So we need the cilantro. If you don't like cilantro, you think it tastes like soap or something, I feel bad for you, son. There is a percentage of the population who feels like, well, I mean, it's legit. When they taste cilantro, they taste soap. If you do not like cilantro, this rice can still be good. Use some parsley instead, and it might be okay. It'll be okay. Gonna zest a lime. You want to wash your lime, rinse it. Now, I would usually do this before I peeled and juice, but this is a lime is just sitting on the side that I already used for something else, and I was like, yo, let's grab that zest, son. And this thing I'm using to zest this lime is officially called a microlime. And it gets it really well because you don't want the white. The white is bitter. I'm rolling this lime around a little bit to release some of the juice. Now I'm using this juicer to tease this lime juice. This beautiful, tangy, bright flavor. Guys, a lime will usually yield about 2 tablespoons of juice. And you see that green stuff, that's just some cilantro. Nobody got no crazy stuff in their lime juice. Relax. So guys, we have a pot here with a tight fitting lid. But it also has a little hole to let steam out. I like that. So what we're gonna do is take that top off. We're gonna add our butter. A little of this lime juice. We're gonna get our zest in there. Boom! Zest goes down! Zest goes down! And we're gonna add the garlic. Get in there, garlic. Pour the chicken broth in our rice. And give it a tiny stir. I'm going to turn it on to high, and I'm gonna bring this to a boil. Okay guys, it's boiling. What we want to do now is reduce the heat to low. Slap the top on. Set this timer 20 minutes. Hit start and walk away. Okay guys, we're gonna take the rest of our lime juice, our cilantro, and some sugar. Just gonna mix this together. After this rice was done, I took it off the burner, took it off the heat, moved it away, moved it back there, and I let it just relax and chill for about 15 minutes. Now I'm gonna take that cilantro, sugar, and lime juice mixture and get it in there. Yo, I need a spoon. Where's the spoon at, son? Now, some things can affect your rice cooking. Like, if your burner doesn't go low enough, or if your pot doesn't have a thick bottom. So we're just gonna kind of fluff this up with a spoon. And this is perfect. Perfectly cooked. Let's taste it. Taste this. That is good. That is good. I can eat that whole thing by myself. I can eat that whole thing by myself, guys. I won't do it, but I could do it.